So you have tests created in Selenium IDE, maybe a few, maybe a whole lot. Now you'd like to run them in browsers other than Firefox and Chrome. You'd like to get log files with screen snapshots and share those logs with your team. And you'd like to see how to do all of this without a mind-numbingly frustrating installation process. I'm Marc Balcer, Chief Architect of TAME. Stick around. I'll show you how to tame the Selenium IDE testing beast. I already have a Selenium IDE test suite here on my desktop. I'll open it in Chrome so that you can see that it consists of a few test cases that are organized into playlists, what Selenium IDE calls test suites. And you can find this example, by the way, in our quick start samples. The first step is to get the TAME Runner. This is a single Windows download that includes Selenium Web Drivers for Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and both kinds of Edge. You can add drivers for Opera and even for remote web drivers. I'll start at the beginning by signing up for a TAME account, confirming my email, creating a password, and logging in. I'll go to the Downloads page and download the Runner installer. And then I'll run the installer. When the TAME Runner starts, I'll enter my license key, which I copy from the same download page. Now you'll see that this Selenium IDE file, I'll just call it a side file, has an icon associated with it. I can double-click this file, and that opens up the TAME Runner. You'll see test cases here on the left. On the right, you'll see the instructions for that selected test. Notice how the comments I added to the instructions in Selenium IDE divide them into groups to make them more readable. I'll also come up to the test list and select the smoke test playlist just to run a basic test. Now below that, I have selectors for browsers and sizes. I'll just take the default size and the default browser. Now I'll hit run and watch the test run. After the run, you'll see a log file, and this says that 1 test passed and 4 were not run. I can open the log and see that test run complete with screen captures for each of the instructions. Now I'll go back and select all browsers and the complete playlist. Watch as TAME runs the tests. The progress dialog in the lower right corner tracks all the tests, and the green line says all the tests are still passing. To share the results with my team, I'll just create a project in my online workspace and drag over the logs. Now the results are visible online. Of course, TAME is a lot more than just a Selenium IDE runner. TAME is test authoring made easy. Instead of writing tests one at a time, fill out a simple table and get a whole suite of tests. It's test automation made easy. Add instructions and get runnable automated tests for many platforms. And it's testing agile made easy. Quickly add tests to support new and changed features. Find out more and try TAME for yourself at tame.dev.